How to pay Disney Plus using Gcash. The first things first is you'll just have to make sure and double check if you already added Gcash as one of your payment method on your App Store or your Google Play Store. So just simply head directly to your Play Store and just go ahead to your profile, which is going to be at the top right portion of your screen, and go to Payments and Subscriptions, and then head to Payment Methods. Now, if you scroll down from here on the fields that is saying add payment method to your Google account, there is actually an option here that says add Gcash. So all you just have to do is tap on that and add your Gcash or connect your Gcash account to your Google Play. Now, once everything is connected, go back to your Disney Plus account, logged in, and go to My Space. In here, choose on subscribe and then choose on a subscription you want, and then from here just click on continue with basic, and then your Gcash should be added as one of the payment methods here. So that's it. That's how you pay Disney Plus using your Gcash account.